Hi viewers, in this video you will learn regarding the cell alignment. The first you have to press home button and go to here alignment box. Here all option related to alignment. The first I have to discuss change the text position. For example, I put some text in the cell. If I want to change the position of text in the cell from up to down, so I will use these three options on the top. This one for middle and this one for bottom and this one for top, like that. If I want to move our text in the cell from left to right, means horizontally, you want to move horizontally your text, so use bottom three option for middle and this one for right and this one for left. So if you press both middle and this one middle, so this one text come in the middle position. And you can change the different style, means for your text vertically and horizontally, use this option. Just press here and use this. Here so many angles, which angle you want, so according to this you can move your text clockwise, like that. And the more setting, you have to go here, click in the direct box, you can move your text from here where you want, just you have to stop like that, and okay, the direction of the text is change. And from here you can also change like that. Next option is wrap text. So if you have lengthy text, sometime is not come in the same cell, is going to another cell, like that. For example, so here the text is going on the other cell. So if you want to put the text in the same cell, so just you have to option wrap text. Just press one time. See, the cell become a big, but all text come in the same cell. So now if you write any other thing, same, the text will remain in the same cell. Next option is merge and center. If you want to merge the different rows and different column and multiple, means rows and column, you have to make one cell, so you can use this option merge and center. For example, you have three rows and two column merge together, so just you have to select how many cell, how many row you want to merge, so you have to select and you have to press this button, merge and center. So this one become a one cell, like that. Here you can put the text also, and you can change the color, font, every setting same like other cell, normal cell. You can choose any option from here, font color and the alignment and the wrap text, all option you can apply here. Next option is cell border. If you want to put the border of cell, so just select any cell and go to this option. In the dialog box you can go border. In here you can select the border which you want, means on the top side, bottom, left and right. I need only means top and bottom, so like that. And I can choose the color also from here. Border color I can change from here. Okay, like that. For border color, you have to select first color and then you have to click here like that. So then you will take the color border like that. If you want means around left and right also means top and bottom, left and right, all border you need. So just you have to go same option, format cell, and you can click here also like that. So now the whole cell is under border. And for cell border you can use this option also here, left border, right, so many options regarding the border you can select from here also. The next option is shrink to fit. Sometimes I have to put text but I need in the same cell, but I don't want to wrap also and not a merge. So how I will use option shrink to fit. So just put here text like that. Sometimes text like that. I want to shrink this one, that all text come in the same cell. So just you have to right click, go to format cell, alignment option, and here one option is shrink to fit. Just press here and OK. So this one becomes smaller, means according to cell the font automatically reduce. According to cell the text become a small and a big like that. So you have to use this option shrink to fit also. That's it in this video. If you like my video, so please share with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.